Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitian nutritionist, Carrie.
And Andrea, looking to put a new spin on your Easter side dishes?
These recipes are sure to be a success on your holiday table.
Garlic potatoes with parsley. Place halved potatoes in a bowl. Add olive oil, parsley, lemon juice, garlic salt, and toss to coat. Place potatoes on a baking sheet and roast. Transfer to a serving bowl, garnish with parsley and garlic salt, then serve.
Honeyed carrots in parchment. Mix honey and olive oil in a small bowl. Place sliced carrots in a parchment bag and pour over with honey mixture. Season with salt and pepper. Close bag tightly and mix contents well. Bake, then transfer to a serving bowl and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.
From our family to yours,
Happy Easter!